Hey everyone! Today we're diving into an exciting pregnancy walking workout that's all about new moves. No repeats here. This low-impact routine is designed for a safe and effective full-body workout, giving you a great cardio boost without any equipment needed. Remember, even though it's called a walking workout, we're going to get your heart pumping and your body moving. Always listen to your body and let's get going.
It's full of pain, but we're the good part, the happy ending. Unexpected plot twist, we always save me. We're the good part, we never fake it. Even if it hurts, we always say it. Like it just like that. Kinda like it like that. Kinda like it like that. Like it just like that. Kinda like it like that. Kinda like it like that. Somehow we make sense. We're the only one who knows it. Our feelings never tense. We don't need no water under the bridge. We're the good part, the happy ending. Unexpected plot twist, we always say it. We're the good part, we never fake it. Even if it hurts, we always say it. Like it just like that. Kinda like it like that. Kinda like it like that. Like it just like that. Kinda like it like that. Kinda like it like that. We're the good part, the happy ending. Yeah. We're the good part, we never fake it. Like it just like that. Kinda like it like that. Kinda like it like that. Like it just like that. Kinda like it like that. Kinda like it like that. Like it just like that. Kinda like it like that. Kinda like it like that. Space, been weaker, it's been waiting for the right day. Like the right day ever comes, now it's Friday. And nothing's changed. Mistakes that everyone is making, but I can't change. I'm stuck in reverse like an old Benz. Forgot to tap it up. Now I long for another day where things fall into place. So if you're down, I'll be down. Pack your bags,
That was a tough full-body workout with plenty of cardio. I know it can be challenging to stay active during pregnancy, so I really appreciate your effort. Please share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to check out my upcoming videos for more workouts and tips.